Have you ever pondered about the celestial bodies that orbit the seventh planet from our sun, Uranus? Today, we're diving into a cosmic journey to explore its 5 major moons. Get ready to be introduced to the enigmatic moons of Uranus: Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These celestial bodies were discovered in the late 18th century by the astronomer William Herschel. Their names aren't random but carefully chosen, paying homage to characters from the works of literary greats, William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Titania, the queen of the fairies; Oberon, the king of the fairies; Umbriel, a mischievous sprite; Ariel, a spirit of air; and Miranda, the innocent and pure-hearted. Their names alone evoke a sense of mystery and enchantment. These moons, each with their unique characteristics, orbit Uranus in a dance of cosmic proportions. Now let's delve deeper into the mysteries of these moons, starting with Titania, the largest one. Titania, the queen of Uranus's moons, was first spotted in 1787. Orbiting its parent planet, Titania's path is fascinating, shaped by Uranus's unique tilt. The moon's composition is a blend of ice and rock, creating an intriguing internal structure. This structure is believed to involve a rocky core surrounded by an icy mantle. Titania's surface is a spectacle of its own, etched with deep canyons and rift valleys, a testament to the moon's geologically active past. These features suggest that Titania once experienced tectonic activities which have since ceased, leaving behind a frozen landscape. Titania's atmosphere is incredibly thin, almost negligible, composed mainly of carbon dioxide. This moon, like its siblings, is believed to have formed from the solar nebula that gave birth to the solar system. Our understanding of Titania was significantly enhanced when Voyager 2 flew past it in 1986, providing us with our first close-up images and data. Next up we have Oberon, the outermost major moon of Uranus. Just like its literary namesake, Oberon is intriguing and mysterious. As the outermost major moon of Uranus, Oberon orbits its parent planet in a dance that takes about 13.5 days to complete. This icy rocky world shares a similar composition to Titania, with its interior believed to be a dense core of rock surrounded by an icy mantle. The surface of Oberon is a fascinating testament to the moon's storied past. It's heavily cratered, bearing silent witness to countless cosmic collisions. The largest known crater, appropriately named Hamlet, stretches over 200 kilometers in diameter. Despite its harsh landscape, Oberon possesses a faint atmosphere, likely composed of carbon dioxide and possibly methane. This moon's origin story is intertwined with that of Uranus, believed to have formed from the accretion disk surrounding the young planet. The only spacecraft to have paid Oberon a visit is Voyager 2, which whizzed by in 1986, offering tantalizing glimpses of this distant world. Moving closer to Uranus, we encounter the dark moon Umbriel. Umbriel, the darkest moon of Uranus, is a world of mystery waiting to be unraveled. This enigmatic moon orbits Uranus at a distance of nearly 266,000 miles, making it the third farthest of the planet's 5 major moons. Unlike its siblings, Umbriel is characterized by a notably darker surface, a trait that has intrigued scientists for decades. Its composition, primarily of ice and rock, lends it a chilling, ghostly visage, a stark contrast to the other vibrant moons of Uranus. The surface of Umbriel is heavily cratered, bearing the scars of countless impacts. Among these features, the bright ring named Wunda stands out, a curious anomaly on this otherwise dark moon. The origin of Umbriel, like much about this moon, remains a mystery. It's believed to have formed from the accretion disk that surrounded Uranus just after the planet's formation. Despite its fascinating features, Umbriel remains largely unexplored, a dark enigma in the vast canvas of our solar system. Next we journey to Ariel, the brightest moon of Uranus. Ariel, named after the airy spirit in Shakespeare's The Tempest, is the third largest and brightest of Uranus's moons. Orbiting its planet every 2.5 days, Ariel showcases a complex geology marked by vast networks of canyons. Its icy composition is a testament to the moon's chillingly cold surface. Born from the debris of a massive impact, Ariel was later explored by Voyager 2, revealing its stark landscape. Last but not least, we have Miranda, the smallest of these 5 moons. Miranda, the smallest and innermost of these 5 moons, may be petite, but it's packed with surprises. Orbiting Uranus in just 1.5 Earth days, this tiny moon boasts a wild and varied terrain, from craggy cliffs to smooth plains. Composed mainly of water ice, Miranda's origin remains a mystery, but theories suggest a violent past. It was first explored by Voyager 2 in the 1980s, offering a glimpse into its intriguing complexity. From the largest moon Titania to the petite Miranda, the moons of Uranus continue to fascinate and intrigue us with their celestial mystery.